guys, so today this was not supposed to happen. So as you can see inside the semi truck here, whoever owned it before, they put these Velcro stickers on to probably hold on to their phones or whatever, iPad or whatever. You can see they even did one down here, and you can see when I peel this off, I already peeled it off, but you know, look at that nasty glue on top of that vinyl. There was another one there, and that's the reason why I'm making the videos. Like, look what I'm using to clean it. I tried, and look, WD40, just basically spraying over here. Yes, if I still have anything in there. And the rag is kind of wet, and I just get this, basically. With a lot of work, is taking it out. But I'm glad, because I was thinking, man, what am I gonna do with this panel? Doesn't look easy to change, you know. So, and it just looked bad, really bad, nasty too, sticky, yucky. You know, this looks like it's dry. They've been probably doing that over and over, who knows how many times. But yep, WD40 looks like might just win this one. Come on, baby, you got some in there. I guess no. So, yep, there you go. Alright, so this is off there, guys. There's a little indentation there from whatever they had hanging, but cleaned out pretty good. I like it.